back here in Mesa, Arizona, where we're going to be covering a Nexus Pro job as well as a stem wall job. We'll show the beginning, we'll show the end, and we will see how our crews are going to help this homeowner.
In the Nexus Pro part, what we're going to do is specific on the cracks. We're going to open the cracks, just making sure the Nexus Pro is thick on the crack, and we smooth them so that way the water don't go through the crack and don't keep affecting the slab. And the same thing with the joints. We saw something similar with the material we use for the windows, but it's a special material so it bonds with the concrete and helps to the water don't keep going through the slab. So that's basically what we're going to do with the Nexus Pro. Well, the Nexus Pro ended up being pretty well. We used desert sand color and the result ended up looking pretty well, matched pretty well with the slab, with the driveway. And we pretty much finished and everything looks very nice. The customer is happy as well. And now as slab, we know water going through the cracks and the joints.